The P1131 trouble code in the Ford F150 means that the bank 1 upstream oxygen sensor registers deviations in the amount of oxygen in exhaust. This fault has nothing to do with the catalytic converters because the upstream sensor is located before the catalytic converter, closer to the engine. So there are several common culprits and a lot of them can be checked on your own before you even go to a repair shop or dealership. First of all, in the majority of cases, the sensor itself is blown and requires replacement. The bank 1 side of the engine is the side with the cylinder 1, and in the majority of Ford V6 or V8 engines, it's on the passenger side. So locating and replacing the sensor is not a big problem, especially if you can get your vehicle on the car lift. Given the price of the OEM oxygen sensor is cheaper than the inspection of the vehicle in the dealership, I believe it's a good start to just replace it and see if this fixes the problem. Also, it wouldn't hurt if you carefully inspect the connections that you can track down from that sensor. Sometimes there may be a problem in the PCM connector or wiring harness, but they are not that easy to locate and fix. Also, the P1131 code may be caused by intake manifold leaks or exhaust leaks upwards of the O2 sensor. This will create uncontrolled amount of oxygen going into the engine or into the exhaust system and will upset the sensor. The computer will believe the sensor is broken and set the P1131 code. You may inspect the exhaust pipe and manifold visually and confirm that there is no corrosion or visible damage. Inspecting the intake manifold leaks is not that easy, and you may require a smoke test for that unless you can clearly see a broken pipe, filter box or cracked manifold during visual inspection. If this doesn't help, you will need to get a high-end scanner compatible with your model and get the live data from the engine and exhaust sensors. This way you can clearly see which system is sending wrong readings.